Hello and welcome back to our channel. Imagine if there were 5 simple words that could unlock the door to your dreams, change your life, and help you manifest your deepest desires. Well, guess what? There are. These 5 words are not just a random combination of letters. They hold the key to a profound secret, a secret that Neville Goddard, a mystic and author, discovered and shared with the world. Neville Goddard's teachings are like a hidden treasure chest, waiting for those who are willing to dive into the depths of their own consciousness to uncover the riches within. In this video, we'll explore these 5 transformative words and how they can revolutionize your life. Before we dive into the secret, let's get to know the man behind it, Neville Goddard. Born in Barbados in 1905, Neville was a curious soul from a young age. His journey led him to explore various spiritual and metaphysical traditions, including the teachings of Abdullah, a mysterious Ethiopian rabbi in New York City. Under Abdullah's guidance, Neville delved into the world of the mind, consciousness, and the power of imagination. He realized that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, a concept that would become the cornerstone of his teachings. The 5 words, I am that I am, I am that I am. These 5 words, drawn from the Bible, Exodus 3:14, form the core of Neville Goddard's teachings. To the untrained eye, they may seem like a simple affirmation, but in reality they are a profound declaration of one's divinity and creative power. Let's break down the meaning of these words. I am. This represents your sense of self, your individuality, and your consciousness. It's the recognition that you exist and have the power to choose. That. This word signifies a connection, a link to something greater than your individual self. It's an acknowledgement of your oneness with the universe, with the divine. I am. The repetition of these words reinforces your sense of self and reminds you that you are the creator of your reality. The power of I am that I am. Neville Goddard believed that when you use the words I am followed by something, you're making a powerful statement to your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind, like a faithful servant, takes these statements as commands and works diligently to manifest them in your reality. For example, I am successful. By declaring this, you are planting the seed of success in your subconscious mind. It will then guide your actions and decisions to align with success. I am loved. Affirming your own lovability attracts love into your life. You start to radiate love and it comes back to you in various forms. I am healthy. By repeating this statement, you signal to your subconscious that health is your natural state. Your body and mind respond accordingly. The power of I am that I am lies in its ability to transform your beliefs about yourself and your reality. It's a tool for rewriting the script of your life. So, how can you put this powerful affirmation into practice? Here are some steps to get you started. Self-reflection. Take some time to reflect on your life and identify areas where you'd like to see change or improvement. It could be in your career, relationships, health, or personal development. Affirm with purpose. Once you've identified your areas of focus, craft affirmations using I am statements that reflect the desired changes. For example, I am successful in my career. I'm attracting loving and supportive relationships. I am vibrantly healthy and full of energy. Consistency is key. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. Consistency is crucial because it reinforces the new beliefs in your subconscious mind. Visualize. As you affirm, take a moment to visualize yourself already living the reality you desire. Feel the emotions associated with it. Visualization enhances the power of your affirmations. Believe and let go. Believe that your affirmations are working behind the scenes, even if you can't see immediate results. Trust the process and let go of any doubts or resistance. To truly grasp the impact of Neville Goddard's I am that I am, let's explore some real-life stories of individuals who applied this principle and experienced remarkable transformations. Susan's career success. Susan had always dreamed of starting her own business, but self-doubt and fear held her back. She decided to use the I am affirmations to change her mindset. Daily, she repeated, "I am a successful entrepreneur." Over time, her confidence grew, and she took the leap to start her business. Today, she runs a thriving company and credits her success to her changed beliefs. Mark's health turnaround. Mark struggled with chronic health issues that limited his daily life. He decided to use I am affirmations to improve his health. He repeated, "I am healthy and strong." Gradually, his health started to improve. With newfound vitality, he engaged in a healthier lifestyle, and his once limiting conditions became manageable. While the I am that I am affirmation can work wonders, it also comes with a challenge: self-responsibility. It requires you to take ownership of your thoughts and beliefs. You can no longer blame external circumstances for your reality because you understand that your thoughts create it. This shift in perspective can be liberating, but it also demands that you be mindful of your inner dialogue and the energy you radiate into the world. Incorporating Neville Goddard's I am that I am into your life is not a quick fix, but a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It's about rewriting the story you tell yourself and aligning with your true potential. As you embark on this journey, remember that the 5 words I am that I am are your allies, your guiding stars. Use them with intention, believe in their power, and watch as your life begins to transform in ways you never thought possible. So dare to declare those 5 words with conviction, and let them be the catalyst for the extraordinary life that awaits you. It's time to embrace the secret that Neville Goddard left behind, a secret that can indeed change your life forever. Our journey concludes here for now. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on personal growth and development. Thank you for spending this time with me, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on Manifest Your Dreams in 60 Seconds.